What's up, Wolverines? We've got our weekly announcements coming up, but make sure you listen all the way to the end so that you can hear how you could win a Morgan Middle School T-shirt. Thanks for listening.
Good morning, Morgan Middle School!
For the Library's November Challenge, read any genre of book and write your name on a leaf. The librarians will add it to the tree and draw 2 names at the end of the month. Picture books and graphic novels will not count.
Coin Wars will be held from December 2nd to December 18th. Students can donate to the jars in the office. Coins are negative, put them in other grades' jars. Bills are positive, put them in your grade's jar. Our goal is to raise $2,000 to help families in our community this holiday season. The winning grade will receive bragging rights as well as the Coin War trophy.
Now a message from the Hope Squad.
Activities will be held next week on Tuesday.
Activities will be in the big gym during lunch.
We are going to be doing a hula hoop game, trivia, and more.
Please stand and repeat after us.
I'm unique.
I'm a good friend.
I will make a difference.
Have a great week, Wolverine!
Happy Thanksgiving, Wolverines. This is Mr. Christensen. Hope you all have a great Thanksgiving break. Hope you have a great time with family and friends on the holiday. And hopefully you get to eat a lot of good food. We are all very grateful for our students, staff, parents, everybody that does so much to make Morgan Middle School be the place that it is. And so thank you so much for that. And with your Thanksgiving feast, I hope you get to eat your favorite food. We've got our next T-shirt contest here to win a Morgan Middle School T-shirt. So I went in and I asked Mr. Croft, our 8th grade history teacher, and he teaches 7th grade English as well, and went and asked him what his favorite Thanksgiving food was. So here it comes. I'm going to play that, but when you have the answer, the first person that comes into the office to talk to Mr. Christensen here in the office and tell me what Mr. Croft's favorite Thanksgiving food is, you'll get a free T-shirt. So thanks for listening and enjoy your Thanksgiving break. I'm here with Mr. Croft. We're going to find out what his favorite Thanksgiving food is. So what is your favorite, Mr. Croft?
My favorite Thanksgiving food is stuffing.
There you have it. He loves his stuffing.